Hello everybody, welcome to our channel PMN Online. Here I will show you how to connect WordPress to GitHub. Connecting WordPress to GitHub is a vital practice for professional development, enabling crucial features like version control, team collaboration, and automated deployments. This process replaces manual file transfers, like FTP, with an efficient code-centric workflow. We will focus on the most reliable method, using a specialized plugin for automated WordPress GitHub integration. Part 1. Prerequisites for automated deployment. Before connecting, you need a few key tools and accounts set up to manage your code. GitHub account and repository. You must have a free GitHub account and an existing repository that contains the custom code, theme, or plugin you want to manage. Local Git installed. Ensure Git is installed on your local computer, Mac, Windows, or Linux, to make commits and pushes from your development environment. Deployment plugin. You need a specialized plugin to create the bridge between GitHub and your live WordPress install. A reliable option is a plugin like WP Pusher, paid, or Git Updater, often used for managing updates. We will use the common workflow found in these tools. Part 2. Setting up automated deployment via plugin. We will configure the deployment plugin to establish a direct, secure connection between your GitHub repository and your live WordPress site. Step 1. Install and activate the deployment plugin. Log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins and click Add New. WP Pusher is not available in WP Plugin Repository. You need to download it from their website. So go to Google and go to its website and click on Download. Wait till it downloads. Now, go for upload of it. Click on Upload and select the file and wait till it uploads. And now once it's done, activate the plugin. Step 2. Obtain and configure the GitHub token. For security, the plugin needs a secure key token to access your repository. Navigate to the new Deployment Plugins Settings page. For example, WP Pusher menu item. Find the section for GitHub configuration and look for a button like Obtain a GitHub token or Authenticate. Follow the on-screen instructions, which will redirect you to GitHub to authorize the plugin. GitHub will generate a secure token. Copy this token and paste it back into the plugin settings in your WordPress dashboard. This action securely links your WordPress site to your GitHub account. Step 3. Deploy your theme or plugin from GitHub. Now that the connection is secure, you can tell the plugin what to deploy. In the Deployment Plugins menu, click Install Theme or Install Plugin. You will be asked for the repository details. Repository URL. Paste the full HTTPS URL of your GitHub repository. For example, my PMOnline repository URL, github.com/pmonline/PMOnline. Branch. Specify the branch you want to deploy, for example, main or production. Push to deploy. Crucially, enable this option. Checking this box sets up continuous integration, continuous deployment. This tells the plugin to automatically update your WordPress site every time you push new code to that specified GitHub branch. Step 4. Finalize the connection. Click Install Theme or Plugin. Right now, my repo is blank. You put your files here to use this feature. The plugin will pull the code from GitHub, place it in the correct folder, and activate it. From this point forward, every time you commit code changes to GitHub, your live WordPress site will update automatically, achieving seamless GitHub-based deployment. Hopefully this guide helped you easily master how to connect WordPress to GitHub and implement a modern development workflow for PMN Online. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to the channel PMN Online.